In the property management industry, customer support is essential. It addresses tenant needs, resolves issues promptly, and builds trust. Customer support boosts profit by enhancing tenant retention through effective responses to concerns, which leads to more lease renewals. Good support builds trust. Satisfied tenants leave positive reviews and refer your properties, enhancing your reputation. A robust support system addresses diverse needs, handling everything from emergencies to lease renewals effectively. Effective customer support minimizes operational inefficiencies by streamlining communication and issue resolution. Types of calls vary. Urgent calls include broken facilities, safety concerns, and amenities issues. Semi-urgent calls case include noise complaints and maintenance requests. Non-urgent calls revolve around lease management and billing inquiries. Challenges in property management support include managing high call volumes and after-hours support while balancing request priorities. To improve support, implement a multi-channel system for tenants to reach you easily via phone, email, and online portals. Utilize technology like AI-powered bots and maintenance portals to streamline responses and let tenants track requests. Categorize calls by urgency. Route emergencies immediately and schedule non-urgent calls during business hours. Proactively inspect facilities to tackle potential issues before they arise and send reminders on lease renewals. Train customer support staff to interact professionally with tenants, ensuring they are skilled in handling various inquiries.